Hey everyone, done be replacing these smoke reflector lenses that's on the car. With some new ones that are LEDs. Here's what the smoke reflector lenses that I replaced the stock red ones look like with the clear bulb in them. Now let's see what's see the focus. Here's the new reflector lenses that are LEDs. And there's the instructions. I'll put it in there. Okay. If I ain't mistaken, there we go. Take that out. Take the bulb out. Now, and there it is. So I've got it plugged in right. Peel that paper off. And voila, there's one. let's go to the other side. Pop that out. Grab the new one. Okay. Gotta turn that around. Try again. There we go. It works. And just like that, they're in. I'll show you what they look like at night. Here's what the axial smoked LED reflector lenses look like at night. Sure makes a difference. And we're gonna be doing another coronavirus cruise tomorrow afternoon. So as soon as I get off from work and eat some lunch and get home and changed, I'll be heading to that. So make sure to check out my channel for that video when I get it uploaded and that. Oh. And Ford Takeover is a go. So I'm gonna be checking my schedule next week to see if I got the time off that I had requested at the beginning of the year. And the wife's gonna be checking her schedule next week to make sure she's got that time off too, so we can take off, go to Tell of the Dragon on May or June 4th, go back to Knoxville and head towards Jackson, Tennessee for a Ford Takeover and meet some of you guys. And I've got shirts ordered. I've got about 10 of them. So hopefully they'll be done and ready for me to pick up before we take off for Tennessee. I'm gonna leave, or in the video, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you like today's video, hit the like button, share it if you share the video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the flip side later.